With 1,616 exhibitors from 57 countries and around 60,000 visitors from 148 nations, 77% from abroad, interzum 2025 confirmed its status as the world's leading trade fair for furniture production and interior design. For 4 days, Cologne became the global hub of innovation across 176,000 square meters of exhibition space. The editorial teams of About Camp B2B and Mobile Home Business attended to explore solutions and technologies for outdoor tourism, from modular RV interiors to sustainable components from mobile homes and glamping. This year's core theme, Rethinking Resources, Circular and Bio-Based Solutions, inspired recyclable materials, innovative reuse processes, and eco-friendly strategies. Let's discover what's new.
Hello, my name is Matteo Confalonieri, CEO of Decor in Printing. Today we are at interzum show, and it's a pleasure to show you our booth. Basically, as you can see, we are showing our designs, our decors, our creativity, and our booth is presenting our designs as it would be in a gallery, in an art gallery. This was the basic concept of the booth, and basically we have a division according to the various type of products, and here we are specifically representing a new product which is named CP2L, which is basically a kind of a surface, a new surface with a very three-dimensional effect, with outstanding properties as far as scratchability and resistance to chemicals and different kind of properties that generally on a standard surface you cannot find. And as you can see, we are representing the new product in a different kind of designs, but basically we are able to transform into this new product all our designs. And we are very proud of this development, which is really bringing our surface at an outstanding level. And we really count on this new product in order to be successful in the caravan industry. We really thought about this product specifically for the caravan industry, and we are representing it for the first time at interzum. And we hope it will be successful in the market and our customers will appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Giorgio Morini. I am the commercial and the marketing director of Panguaneta Plywood. We are a family business company of around 300 people, selling our plywood in more than 100 countries all around the world. And we are a company which has a story to tell about how we build a beautiful material sourcing from our own poplar plantation in the Po Valley in Italy, something that goes into many sectors for high-end applications. interzum is an event which we participate every 2 years, which represent one of the most important platforms in order to present our products. That goes from furniture, goes into the caravan industry, they go into the yacht industry, and this is giving us the possibility to extend the ranges of our applications for many customers that we have all around the world.
Hello, good morning. Welcome to Nobilpan booth. I'm Pietro Modoni. I'm sales for Nobilpan. Our booth is for different type of decoratives. Our main job is flat lamination panels. We can apply different type of decorative by roll or by sheet. By roll, different type of decorative paper foil or plastic foil, or with cold press, HPL, different type of colors. if you can see the different type, dark, white, different structure, 3D embossing, and this is our main job, and that's all.
Blum presents PlycoBox, a modular box system designed for living and sleeping spaces. Unlike traditional drawers, PlycoBox features sleek design, compact packaging, and tool-free assembly. Delivered flat-packed, it includes a folded base with an integrated back panel, side edges, and guide rails. Thanks to an intuitive clip system, it can be quickly assembled by hand, by professionals or end users. Available in finishes like silk white, carbon black, and pirate beige, it combines style and versatility. Developed with Egger, PlycoBox ensures sustainability and high-quality seams, with matching interior floors and edges for a harmonious look. This blend of design, function, and ease earned it the Best of the Best Interzum Award. Egger showcases its latest design innovations under the motto Inspire, Grow, Create, with a strong focus on surface aesthetics and digital tools. A key highlight is the repeatless semi-format, an award-winning decor surface that avoids visual repetition across panels measuring up to 3 by 2 meters. The result is a seamless timber or stone look with high-end tactile finishes. Another innovation is Perfect Sense Ambience, a lacquered surface with anti-fingerprint technology and elegant matte appeal. Egger also introduces TrendCast, a real-time digital tool that allows users to visualize decorative surfaces in different environments and lighting conditions. Users can simulate kitchen or retail settings, test color combinations, and even download high-resolution mock-ups via QR code. Forbo Flooring Systems presents its refined linoleum surfaces for interior and furniture design. Made from natural ingredients like linseed oil, wood flour, chalk, and paper, this material is both sustainable and elegant, perfect for kitchens, doors, and tables. Praised for its ultra-matte finish, soft touch, and resistance to fingerprints and stains, it's also easy to maintain. Minor scratches can even be repaired by rubbing with a walnut, thanks to the natural oils. Forbo recently introduced 8 new colors, first seen at Salone del Mobile and now at Interzum. Combining durability, beauty, and a contemporary look, this linoleum is a smart choice for modern design. Global Textile Alliance presents Morganic, a new certification program reshaping latex production with an impact-driven approach. Unlike traditional audits, Morganic focuses on 3 pillars: fair income for farmers, environmental biodiversity, and full digital traceability. Launched in southern Thailand in 2019, it helps farmers diversify crops, like honey or coffee, within rubber plantations, improving both income and ecosystem health. Local agronomists guide the shift from monoculture to biodiverse farming. Now backed by the Thai government, the program is now expanding, possibly to Latin America and West Africa. Morganic certified latex is already used in Novaya mattresses, but the label is open to all, offering a transparent, credible standard for sustainable latex. Häfele presents a smart micro-apartment concept that turns just 18 square meters into a flexible, multifunctional space. At its core is a magnetic sliding wall system that lets users move 500-kilogram modules by hand, transforming the space with ease. In seconds, it shifts from kitchen to bedroom to workspace. Each module hides fold-out furniture, a double bed, table for 4, and full kitchen, disappearing into the wall when not in use. By activating only what's needed, Häfele doubles the perceived space and promotes efficient, sustainable urban living. At Hettich, the company proudly presents its latest innovation, RoomSpin, a transformative design concept that enhances space efficiency through dynamic motion. As demonstrated at its special exhibition, RoomSpin enables living and working areas to pivot and reconfigure, adapting to various needs throughout the day. This solution goes beyond traditional furniture. It reflects the mega trend of flexible living. With room spin, a space can effortlessly shift from a quiet retreat to an active meeting area, with storage accessible from multiple sides. This award-winning concept, recognized with the German Design Award, is both functional and visionary. OWI introduces a timber fiber composite that blends the strength of plywood with the flexibility of plastics, an innovative material that redefines what's possible in furniture design. Unlike standard plywood, it can be shaped into complex 3D forms using existing machinery, ideal for load-bearing parts like seat shells. Surfaces can be finished with natural veneers like oak or cherry, combining function with elegance. Winner of the Best Interzum Award, this material offers a sustainable, customizable alternative to plastic and expands what's possible in furniture design. Schattdecor presents The Art of Tomorrow. The booth is structured as a creative journey through emerging trends and innovative materials. In the hipstoric area, retro wood tones like Ravello walnut are reinterpreted with modern warmth. Clarity contrasts this with minimalism, bright tones, dark woods, and bold stone surfaces such as Guyana, paired with synchronized textures. The new aesthetics section explores imperfection as a design value, featuring Silphy paper, a sustainable plant-based material that reduces CO2 emissions and embraces natural fibers and patterns. Finally, Concept Sense Plus introduces speculative themes and prototypes, opening dialogue on the future of surfaces and interiors. With this multi-layered experience, Schattdecor redefines decorative design as a fusion of sustainability, emotion, and forward-thinking artistry. The Vita Group UK showcases its commitment to sustainable innovation through the Vita Advanced Mattress, a result of strategic collaboration with Covestro and Evonik. This cutting-edge product incorporates 100% repolyol technology and biocircular mass-balance materials, achieving 65% recycled content and reducing carbon emissions by 70%. Designed to prove that foam can be a fully circular material, the mattress maintains premium durability while supporting a closed-loop recycling model. With around 40 million mattresses sent to landfill annually in Europe, Vita sees a major opportunity to transform waste into value. The product is backed by mass balance certification and full supply chain traceability, reinforcing transparency and countering greenwashing. By combining science, collaboration, and verified sustainability, the Vita Group is setting a new benchmark for the future of polyurethane in the bedding industry.
So my name is Louis van Rooij. I'm responsible within the Unilin Technologies business unit for the commercialization of our recycling technology, which we call Osiris. Unilin Technologies is part of the Belgian group Unilin, which consists out of 4 business units. So we have our flooring business unit, panels business unit, insulation business unit, and then the technologies unit that focuses on technologies and commercialization of IP. So the technology that we have here, Osiris, is all about recycling of MDF boards, MDF waste, because up until today there was no real recycling option for MDF. It was either being burned or being put in a landfill. But at Unilin we have developed a unique and patented process to recycle MDF boards and to make out of MDF waste, again, recycled fibers, which can be used again in the production of normal MDF boards without loss of fiber quality, without loss of performance, so exactly the same performance parameters as normal virgin fibers being used in MDF production.
Yeah, I'm Sven Weihe. I'm the General Secretary of the ICDLI, the European Association of HBL Manufacturers, and the whole HBL value chain. And we are based in Frankfurt. The ICDLI office is based in Frankfurt, and our member companies are manufacturing in Europe, all of them. And we have some key topics that we are dealing with, mainly technical topics. So we have a technical group that is discussing chemical regulation, for example, or the performance of HBL material in general. We have a marketing group where our members are meeting generally. And we are offering, of course, some very important events from network platforms, like, for example, our HBL manufacturer meeting, which will be in June and is on a digital basis. And then our key platform, our key event is always in October in a very big, nice European city, this time in Marseille, our HBL Summit, where we will have some lectures about technical topics, about sustainability topics, about other topics our industry is dealing with. And this is currently also what our association is dealing with in general. We are discussing all the important topics around HBL and around our industry, bringing together all the experts from our member companies to discuss technical, marketing, PR, whatsoever topics, and bringing a big value for our member companies into the companies.